we're gonna do a nursery makeover, a realistic nursery makeover, meaning I'm not spending a ton of money. It's taking me like 2 weeks to do this in total just because we do have a newborn baby. And life is crazy now. I did not realize. I mean, they say it, but until you live it, you just don't know. So if you're looking for some inspo for your nursery or just trying to kill some time and you want some entertainment, join me and let's redo this room. Okay, so the first step of this whole process is to clean this room out. We've accumulated so much stuff now that we have a baby and we haven't had a chance to kind of organize it and declutter it. So let's just empty out this room, all the main clutter, and then I'm gonna put it all back in nice and neat.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
All right, so I emptied out the room and I think it went really well, but to be honest, I just shoved all of this stuff in the room across the hall. So I do have to get that room emptied out before the end of the night because we used that room. Our baby woke up, so I had to take a quick break, give her a nice diaper change, a bottle, and then rock her back to sleep.
A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Okay, so I'm gonna drag in this shelf that we actually were using in another room, but then we're not using it in that room anymore. And I think it's gonna be perfect to store the diapers and the wipes and all the other little things that we've accumulated. So it's the middle of the night right now, and I'm trying to be so quiet as I drag this across the house, but I didn't wake anyone up, so I think it was a win.
Come out and play, it's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing.
I've always thought the baby stuff is so cute at Hobby Lobby, but I never had a reason to get it until now, so let's go, come on. I'm overwhelmed with all the selection, but I found it, so I guess I'm not overwhelmed. In a field of roses, she is a wildflower. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, it's so cute. All right, and it's $60. You're gonna cry. Throw it in the bag. Throw it in the bag. Oh, this is really cute. I don't know, look at it. Maybe throw it in a bag. It's just there's not a second one to go with it. It's a couple days after the Hobby Lobby trip and I want to show you what I landed on. Since I loved this so much, this was my inspiration for the rest of the decor pieces I got. Behind me, I'm going to put this one up. And this was part of the spring decor, so it was 40% off. And it's just a bunch of different wildflowers. Patchwork. I thought it was so cute. So this was $29.99, but like I said, it was 40% off, so I'll let you do the math. And then for the little accessories, look how cute. I got one in every color they had, so let me flip that. Oh, they're so cute, and if you look close, they're like fabric and fluffy. So I'm not 100% sure, like maybe I'll surround the wildflower picture with these. We'll see soon. And then I got one more thing. I didn't want to go too crazy because I feel like over time I'll find a couple other items that I might want to hang up. These little hooks right here, I like them because they're cute and flowery, but they're like I can use them, like I can hang stuff on them, like, you know, her robes or towels, I don't know yet, a jacket. All right, so now that we got the cute stuff, let's hang it up.
I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid.
So my favorite way to hang pictures, especially big ones like this, is to use masking tape to mark the holes. You've probably seen this trick before. It is amazing, legit, 10/10 recommend. All right, so what you do is you tape from each hook, then using a Sharpie, I'm gonna mark where the hole should be. And then you can take this piece of tape with the holes right here and put it straight on the wall. Before I actually put any hooks in the wall, I'm gonna make sure it's level. So let me go grab that.
Just like the movies, how it's gonna stay in the
So I'm gonna use these hooks to hang it. I don't know if you've ever seen them. You put them in the wall like this, and then you flip them. And so this will all be in the wall, this big part, and then this will just be the hook. And it's like a different type of molly. So it's kind of confusing, but they work really good.
with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high.
All right, now that I'm here, I'm like, I kind of wish I had 5 flowers, but we have 4. So you know what? Let's make it work. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna start hanging them. And then if I decide I don't like where I put one, I can move it. Okay, so cute, so freaking cute. And then I'll put this one maybe like right here. Oh, I love this yellow one. I don't quite want it to be in the center. I want it to be like off center. To look random, even though there's been thought put into where I place everyone. I want it to look random.
I don't know what it is about you.
Snaps for how cute they are.
Must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old.
I definitely feel like I could add a couple more. I almost got a bee when I was there and I didn't. But there's a couple bees on the painting, so maybe I'll add some bees in there and that would be so cute. Future Robin here. I couldn't resist. I just had to go back to Hobby Lobby and get the bee that I wanted so much. Look how cute it is. And on the back, this is like how they hung it on the shelf. But honestly, I'm just gonna keep that there and I'm gonna just use a tack and hang it like this. So I think I'm gonna put it in this corner. I'm gonna move the flowers just a little bit and make room for the bee.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long.
Okay, so we haven't actually done much on this side of the room yet. So the first thing I wanna do is clear this shelf space. I can see some spider webs on there. It's been a minute since I've cleaned up there, so let's clear it off and get it ready for nursery.
Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were.
I wiped this down so it's dust free, and I'm gonna put that back. And then I'm just gonna decorate with some of the baby toys that we have for her for when she's a little older. Let's see. Then I was also thinking maybe the 2 flower hooks can go here. So cute, so cute. So one of the things I want to use the hook for is to store this like mom cozy hip baby holder. Here, let me put you down a little bit so you can see. So I just got this and my baby's still really small, so I'm basically just using this when I cradle her and walk around. But when she's older, she can start to like sit on it, facing inwards or outwards. It's super handy. But it's like a big thing to store when you're not using it. Oh yeah, and then boom, got that out of the way, love. Okay, so now I want to figure out this wall. I am gonna move this back into the corner. Okay, so I do hate the fact that my closet office is still here, but I'm being realistic and like I have nowhere else to put my office right now. So it's just gonna stay here. I'm thinking maybe I'll put curtains or something so that when I'm not using it, it can just be enclosed. And then obviously as she gets older, I'm gonna have to figure it out. But for now, it's kind of this ugly mess, so don't look at it, okay? But look over here. Let me just get that out of the scene. Right here, I got something else from Hobby Lobby. I couldn't resist, but this time it was 40% off, so let me show you. So I'm gonna take the chakras down and put this there. So freaking cute. And this was $39.99 full price, so I got it 40% off, so score. Okay, so the nursery is almost complete. There's just one more thing I want to hang up over the changing station, and it came in our Love Every kit. This is not sponsored, but I just really like them and I want to share. It's like developmental toys that like is good for their age. So it came with a little workbook that kind of gives us ideas of how to play with them with these toys. So the thing that I'm going to hang up right now is this cool guy. And I'm gonna do it so she sees the black and white side. Look how cool that is. And then it says when they're about 5 months, you should flip it, and then so they can see the color side. So we're gonna hang that up really quick, but I'm gonna show you the rest of the toy kit. Okay, so it comes with a whole bunch of high contrast cards, you know, so you can practice like tracking, where you can put the cards in and you can either prop it flat on the floor or kind of prop it up for tummy time. And then it just has a bunch of, again, a lot of high contrast stuff. So like these rattles, a couple rattles, a little teether rattle. One more thing are these high contrast gloves. You can put them on so when they start noticing their hands, they can kind of focus on these colors. So pretty cool. Let's hang up the little hanger thing. I'm just gonna use this hook to hang up the, I don't even know what to call it, the hanger thing, I don't know. So the instruction says to hang it about 8 to 10 inches from their face. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. And there you have it. The nursery is refreshed. I love how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not already. I'll be dropping way more content just like this, or maybe different. I don't know. Wait and see. All right, bye everyone.